In this video, I am going to talk about turning Claude into a full-scale product marketing team. I will show you how I use the new co-work function to build a mind-blowing presentation with Canva for my Cloud SaaS project, all without touching a single design tool manually. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome to my AI lab. I finally decided to get the Claude Pro subscription plan. And for any of the devs who might be asking in the comment, is it because of the Claude Code or any of the CLI functionalities as Vibe Coder? Not really. I love a great CLI and Claude Code is definitely very useful. However, I am using the Pro plan for something much more visual. The very first thing that I did after hitting the subscribe button, I downloaded the Claude desktop app. And if you are using the browser version, I wanted to tell you that you're missing out on a dedicated workspace feel, especially for any of the long-form creative projects. Now, to get Claude actually designing, you have to authorize the Canva connector. It's a one-time setup that bridges your workspace to your design asset. In the chat interface, you just need to click on Customize and then get into the connectors icon. And as you can see that I already have Canva on my list because I just disconnected it. But if you just search for Canva, and you'll see that it shows up and there is a connect button. Hit the button and it will redirect you to an authorization page for you to get that connected. This is the moment Claude gains access to your Canva folders and, most importantly, your brand kit. Once that handshake is done, Claude isn't just a writer, it's a creator. You might ask, why Canva? There are a lot of AI slide generators out there, but most of them give you a static file you can't actually use or edit. The Canva connector is different because it bridges the gap between AI logic and professional execution. Now, let's get into the prompt that actually made me excited. I needed a boardroom meeting ready pitch deck for our new direct-to-consumer medium roast coffee launch. So I put this high intent prompt into Claude and I told Claude to create a pitch deck presentation in Canva for the Cloud SaaS D2C company. Introduce this new medium roast coffee based on this launch plan I've created. The pitch deck will be used for the next board meeting. Keep it clean at minimum and use the existing branding kit for color selection. If you don't remember how we got the 4-week launch plan ready for my new medium roast and my target audiences as well as my risk analysis, definitely check out this quick video I've made and try the prompt yourself or tweak that for your own specific product or services. Usually, this whole process would take me 3 or 4 hours of dragging through different shapes, creating the deck out of the template that I've used in Canva. But because I connected my Canva brand kit, Claude knew my exact color selection as well as different ways for me to make this a board ready deck. So Claude is even asking me some questions on what should be included in the pitch deck. Do I want it to have executive summary, product overview, and the target audience selection, or do I want it to add anything or customize any of those pitch deck information before I get started? That's where the fun really starts to begin and you start to review the true power of Claude when it gets together with Canva. Not only it would have all these different selections, it would give me the design and ask me to make adjustments just like how we usually would do if one of us is creating the deck with your product marketing team, right? You could even change the tone to make it more towards casual audiences, to make this short, or even change different brand kit. In this case, you can see that I am applying my own Monica brand kit that I used and I'm going to update that design to show Claude what I actually want, and then to create the deck. So let's keep that brewing for a little bit and let's see the results together. As you can see that I've made some customization based on the information that was being provided, and I am just using the haiku model. I didn't use any of those more token intensified model because I wanted to see how the baseline would look like before I even turn it up for any of those more advanced model. So as you can see right here, just within seconds, it generated multiple functional, beautiful and eligible presentation. As you can see that it's currently being finalized, and once this is done, we can take a look on how these generated design look like and even picking the one that we like the most from the list. What I like the most? Well, definitely the clickable links that you could just open, and right in Canva you can make changes, right? You can actually edit those presentations as you go, so it's not something is made and done. And not only that, you also get multiple designs, so you can pick and choose whatever works the best, and you could always go back and make edit as needed for your prompt to create better designs as well. If you've watched my other videos, you know that I am a big fan of using Gemini gems to create slide decks, and you could even use that to act like your marketing expert. But for creative production, I would say Claude Pro plan with Canva integration is definitely a win because it understands your design systems. In this Claude project, it remembers your constraints across different sessions. It feels less like a chatbot and more like a designer who actually listens to your meetings and understands your needs, and it provides different type of plans based on your needs. The results for the Cloud Grind coffee launch was honestly mind-blowing. If you are a creator or a founder, the $20 per month for the Pro plan pays for itself in the first hour. And this is just the beginning. Next week, I'm going to show you the full step-by-step of how I am using Claude to completely redesign my own YouTube channel from the ground up. Check out the links in the description to see the final Canva deck Claude built for me today. Stop prompting, start co-working. I'll see you in the next video.